Cutting the K, featuring HARVI II TE, HARV I IV 7792VX, and KenDrill Micro solid carbide drills. We start every project with a smooth surface. That's why we started off with the 7792VX. The finish is so smooth it eliminates a finishing pass. Then we move some serious material with the HARV IV. If there was one word to describe the HARV IV, it would be stable. Notice how much material we're moving with no chatter. Then we brought in our HARVI II TE to cut the notches out of decay. The HARVI II TE platform is one of the most versatile end mill systems, one tool that replaces many. Then we took the plunge with the HARV IV. Look how consistent those chips are. What's there to say about drilling other than our KenDrill Micro solid carbide deep hole drills are awesome. Everyone loves that buttery slow-mo shot. And a nice little chamfer to deburr the edges. And then there's everyone's favorite part, the cleanup. Look at those chips.